Hello everyone, welcome back. First of all, I just want to apologise for my nails. I've had it on for quite a while now and I've got to the picking stage. I need to really stop doing that. But anyway, as you can see here on my desk, I've got something a little bit different. Usually it is a nail polish, but I will tell you why in a second why this video is so different. So as you can see, this is Birchbox and it's the Disney, the Nutcracker and the Four Realms related. Now, can we think of a nail polish that has come out with this movie? Yes. OPI have brought out a Disney, the Nutcracker and the Four Realms nail polish set, which I have not got my hands on, unfortunately, but if you subscribed to Birchbox this month, they were giving newbie subscribers one of the nail polishes from that collection, which is why I have subscribed to this box this month. I've cancelled it, I don't really want it. I did used to get it eons ago, but I cancelled it because I just never ever use the things that are inside it, but I really wanted that nail polish. I have had a little sneak peek inside my box and I've used one of the products because actually I wasn't actually meant to be getting that, but because I ordered it so late, they replaced one of the normal ones for this month with something else, and I'm actually super happy that I got that. So I'm just going to open it up. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it's now, because when I got it, it was just like a box that you lifted up the lid. Now it's like a slidey drawer, so I can actually use this for storage for like nail glitters and nail art and things, which is really good. So I'm just going to open it up, and this is what is inside. So it says Disney, the Nutcracker and the Four Realms, and it's this month we're so excited to have teamed up with Disney to celebrate the movie, that kind of thing. Oh, and that tells you what's inside it, and then it's a sneak peek for next month, sorry, and I am obviously not getting it next month, but that is what you could get. So you could get a full-size long-lasting liquid lipstick in either colour, and you get to choose your own. So I'm just going to actually leave this open over here just so that I can have like a little sneak peek to tell you what I've got. Okay, so here is the nail polish that you got with little mix with the just move my light, there we go, with the box. So here it is, and you know what, I actually haven't got this shade in my collection. It's an absolutely beautiful pinky lavender colour, and it's called Lavender to Find Courage. So I can't wait to use that in one of my designs. How nice is that? I might even use this in like a plaid design. So it's perfect lavender colour for a plaid mani. So that's really, really good. And they're worth like £13.50 on its own, so that pays for the box, which is really good. So I thought, well, I might as well, instead of just going and buying an OPI separately, I might as well just get it with this box and get a lot of other cool things for free, basically. So that was my thinking. Okay, so this is one of the products that I haven't tried yet. Let's have a look. This is called the Monica Dark Cosmetics Diamond Dust Roller. I've got it in the shade Pixie, which was the lightest of the shades. Enchanted was like a dark gold, and this is a rose gold. And this is worth £15, and this is a full size. So again, something really expensive. And it's like a roll-on bronzer, highlighter, shadow, or on lips. So that's cool. So it's like multi-use powder, roll-on powder. So there we go. Do you know what, that is beautiful? I can see that on my lips. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. That is absolutely stunning, actually. I'm really impressed with that. That would be like the perfect highlight for my skin tone, and I am very white. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. £15 for that. Yeah. Wow, that is amazing. I love that. Okay. The next thing, right, so I got this instead. Some people that obviously get the box usually got a primer, I think. I can't remember who the primer was by, but I got this instead. This is by Wonder 2, and I have their eyebrow pomade or eyebrow gel, whatever it is, and I really like that. So I had to bust this out straight away and use it. It's 72-hour lash definition, so I think it uses like fibre, so it'll be a bit like the Unique Fibre mascara, I think. And it is absolutely amazing. Oh, just threw the box at myself. It's like a stain mascara, lash extension stain mascara. Gives you the lashes you wish you were born with. Morning, noon and night. Get intense, rich colour and length to define lashes for up to 3 days for perfect smudge-proof and flake-free wear. And do you know what? I absolutely felt that while I was wearing this. It was amazing. And it lasted for three days. It literally did. I even took, when I was taking a shower, like it's waterproof as well, so it wouldn't come off. You have to use like a gel cleanser because after a while it does start to get, you know, a little bit sparse from where it has come off. So you do have to use like a gel cleanser just to get that last little bit off that hasn't already come off. But apart from that, like, this stuff is absolutely genius, and look, I get that little last bit off. And I really love the eyebrow pomade as well. So I was really super chuffed to get this. This was literally a surprise because I got my box so late that everybody had already opened their box and revealed what was inside. So I knew what I was getting, and I'm just really stoked that I got this instead of the primer actually. So yeah, this is a full size and it's £19.95. This box is just amazing so far. Okay. Right, so the next thing is, this is not a full size, this is just a sample, and this is Polar Night Cream by Polar. Effectively, a great night's sleep in a pot. This moisturiser works to brighten your skin overnight, so it's like a night cream. Enriched with boreal algae, an ingredient that reacts to the blue light of the moon. Also, it's like wow cream, that's funny. You will wake up to a plump, healthy looking complexion. So I might actually put that on tonight and see how I go with it. I have a really sensitive skin, so knowing my look, I'm going to wake up with like a million red lumps all over my face. So let's look. I'm going to test a tiny bit out on a skin. Ooh, it's nice and soft. You can already see like how different my skin looks there. I don't know if you can pick that up on camera. Look how see-through I am. That's ridiculous. And you know what? It smells really nice as well. It smells a bit cucumbery, very refreshing. But yeah, you know what? I can see how I would look a bit more refreshed. I'd look like I've got more sleep than what I actually have had. So that's good. I'll use that tonight. And that is worth £32 for the full size. This is Dr. Paw Paw, and this is full size, and it's a lip balm. Oh, you can also use it for skin, cuticles, and finishing. Okay. Oil, I'm going to use this on my cuticle, don't we? Oh gosh. Okay, let's try a little bit of that on my cuticles. This is full size. It's £3.95. Is it? I'm gonna put a little bit on my lips on here. It's a bit like Vaseline, if I'm honest. Yeah, it's just very, very, very much like Vaseline, the texture and the smell and things. It reminds me a lot like Vaseline, but this is meant to be really, really good. So I will keep using this, especially in this really cold, horrible weather that we started having. It is miserable, so and it's a pain on my lips, so I will keep using that. Okay, so another really good one that I'm going to be using at some point when, you know, I deserve a pamper night. So this is a full size, it's £3.50. It's a self-heating eye mask. Oh dear. I think I'm going to use this when I don't have to do anything the next day, just in case it goes wrong. Sorry, just having a cup of tea. It says unwinding from a stressful day isn't always as easy as it sounds when you're struggling to switch off. Reach for this relaxing space mask infused with mood calming jasmine, a thin layer of iron filings inside the mask. Iron filings entwined with oxygen molecules in the air, causing the mask to heat up. Oh my gosh, right, I can just imagine that going completely wrong for me. It's not something that I can open and show you or anything. But do you know what? Oh, do you know what? It tells you to only this thing. Okay, so it's not like a go to sleep in it. You have to take it off after 15 minutes. In fact, I think, you know what, I can see. It says drift off. I would probably not wake up again, so best not go to sleep when I'm wearing this. So yeah, do you know what? Everything in this box is... Oh, I can use that sponge from there as well, so that's even better, isn't it? Everything in this box was fabulous. I can't wait to use it all, and yeah, so that's it. Like I said, I got it for this nail polish, so that is my main reason for changing up the video today. So let me know what you thought about it, and I'm sorry it's late as well. I have been terribly busy with university the past couple of days. I've got 2 assignments due all on the same day, so that's fun. So yes, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.